Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, keyless entry, keyless ignition, remote start. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heated front seats, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.